you can just go to the website python.org. From here, let me just zoom in first. Okay, from here just go to downloads, and as you can see, since I'm using Mac OS, so that's why it's showing as Mac. If you're working on Windows, most probably it will show you on Windows. And at the time of recording, the latest version is 3.10.5. So I just want you to click on this and it will start the download. You just have to install Python just as you would install any other program. Just click on this. It will open up a installer dialog. So just click on continue, continue, okay, agreement, I agree, and install. Now, since I already have Python installed, I won't be installing, but in your case, if you don't have Python installed, just go ahead and click install. After the installation is done, I want you to open up your terminal. If you're working on Windows, just make sure you open up your PowerShell, and let me just try to zoom inside this as well. So once you have your terminal open, I want you to type Python hyphen and a capital V. So as you can see, it's showing the Python installed version. In my case, it is 3.10.5. Just make sure you have a version which is more than 3.10. 3.9 will not work because I will be showing you a couple of new features which have been introduced in the version 3.10. And if you're watching this video in the future, you don't have to worry because all of the functionality that I'm going to show in this tutorial, all of those things are going to work in the future as well. The next thing that I want you to do is install Visual Studio Code. So I want you to go to this website, code.visualstudio.com, and I want you to download Visual Studio Code and install it. So just click on this. Since I'm using a Mac, it's showing Mac. If you are using Windows, make sure you click on the right button. So just click on this. It will again download the installer, and you just have to install Visual Studio Code as you would install any other program. After installing Visual Studio Code, I want you to open it up. So this is my Visual Studio Code. On the left, you can see there is a small bar, and I want you to click on extensions. Let me take it up right over here, and I want you to search for Python. The first thing that pops out right over here, this is the Python extension by Microsoft. I want you to click on install. Now I do have a couple of more extra dependencies. These are optional, but I would highly recommend you to install all of those. So just open up your terminal. If you're working on Windows, open up your PowerShell, and there is a command which is called as pip. Now pip actually ships with Python. I want you to type pip install Ipython, mypy and black, and just hit enter. So these are a couple of extra dependencies that I would like you to install. Now since I have already installed, it's showing me as already satisfied, but in your case it will go ahead and install all of the dependencies, and that's it. Now we can start writing Python code on our machine. If you have some doubts, then you can open up this readme file. So this is the code that we downloaded from GitHub. So inside my folder number 1, introduction, just click on readme, and you can see I have provided the links for everything. There are a couple of more optional dependencies. For example, this one, code runner. This one we would see in some of the future videos, and if you want to have the exact same theme like mine, so you can use this theme. I'm using a theme which is called as pitch black theme. Now if you are working on a Mac and if you have issues while typing this command, so suppose you are typing Python/v, and if you're not getting this output, then just make sure to watch the next video where we would see how to rectify it.